So if you're having a StockX login problem in 2026, yeah, like you can't sign in or it keeps saying error, don't stress. This is usually a quick fix. First, double check your email and password. Even a small typo can stop you from logging in. Next, click Forgot Password and reset it through your email. This fixes most login issues right away. Now make sure your internet is stable. Weak connection can cause login failures or endless loading. Next, clear your browser cache or app data. Corrupted files can block the login system. Now check for updates. An outdated app or browser can break the login process. Next, turn off any VPN or proxy. StockX may block logins from unusual locations. Now try logging in on a different phone, computer, or browser. Sometimes the issue is device specific. If it still doesn't work, StockX might be down temporarily, so wait and try again later. Finally, if nothing works, contact StockX support and provide your email so they can help recover your account. And that's it. That's how you fix StockX login problems step by step in 2026.